Hey everybody, Mike here, Mike's Computer Tips. Being organized in any endeavor is a good thing. I try to be as organized as I can with my computer stuff, and I hope you guys enjoy my videos. Today I want to talk about getting your stuff right. You really need to have all your things that you're going to need for a computer job. If you're going to someone's house or you're going to a business, you want to have what you need. You don't want to have to make 3 or 4 trips when you could do it all in 1 or 2 at the most. So be sure you have all your equipment, tools, screwdrivers, drives, USB. Let's say you have programs on an external drive. That's important so you can install extra hard drives, extra memory. Make sure you carry it with you. Stuff like if you're going to little alcohol so you can clean your CPU, and if you have to change a fan or change the CPU, you want to clean the CPU and the fan and put alcohol on it. That's another thing. Different kinds of memory is very important because you never know what you're going to run into. Desktop, laptop memory, a few different fans. Make sure you have the screwdrivers for laptops and desktops, whatever you run into. What is a good thing also is have your equipment to do data transfer, backup on site. That way you don't have to spend a whole lot of time going back and forth. So if you're going to save information, do it on site if possible. If it's going to take a long time, then do it in your shop or in your home and bring it back. But the most amount of things you have on site, the better off you're going to be. And another trick would be to make sure you have a hard drive with Windows on it already, just in case you have to put in a new drive instead of taking the time to load Windows. Have a drive with everything on it already. Don't need any drivers, just Windows operating system. I hope this video helped you. I will see you soon. Until then, have a great day, and this is Mike from Mike's Computer Tips. See you all later.